Listen carefully. Most people don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because they lose focus. They start with fire, then life happens. A girl, a distraction, a slow week, a bit of money, and suddenly the vision gets soft. I'm telling you right now, if you are not intentional every single day, you will drift. Focus is not a feeling. It's a decision you make when you don't feel like it. Imagine your energy is like a phone battery. Every time you give attention to things that don't matter, every time you entertain the wrong people, every time you scroll with no purpose, you're just draining the battery. And when it's time to actually work, you're on 12% wondering why nothing is moving. Or think about it like this. A ship with no captain doesn't sink immediately. It just slowly drifts until it ends up somewhere it never planned to be. That's what happens when you stop being intentional. You don't crash overnight. You just wake up one day far from where you wanted to be. Your mind is like a fortress. Every circumstance is a small crack in the wall. One crack doesn't destroy it, but leave enough cracks open, and one day the whole thing collapses. When your mind starts wandering, when your body wants comfort, when your eyes start looking at things that pull you away from the goal, that's the moment you choose. You either protect your energy or you leak it. And once you start leaking energy, everything becomes harder. Your work gets weaker, your discipline gets softer, your results slow down. I don't care how talented you are. I don't care how much potential people say you have. If you cannot stay focused when it's boring, when it's quiet, when nobody is clapping, you won't achieve your goals. Be intentional with your time. Be intentional with your eyes. Be intentional with who you give access to. Be intentional with what you allow into your mind. Because this life does not reward the ones who just want it. It rewards the ones who refuse to get distracted. So lock in, cut the noise, protect your peace, and move with purpose every single day. No more half focus. No more I'll start tomorrow. No more leaking energy on things that don't matter. You already know what you need to do. Now do it with full intention. Stay focused, stay dangerous, stay locked in. And if you want the real sauce, how to become that man, build your mind, build your presence, and make people chase you instead of the other way around, I dropped a free 7-page sneak peek of the Playboys Playbook in the description. Go check it out. Much love. Keep building.